Back to my channel. So today we are going to see option selling. Let's get started with the basics. So we are basically sellers. There could be two types. One is call selling, the other one is put selling. Okay, so when call selling, FII adds a position means that strike acts as a resistance and price will fall from that strike. If put sellers are adding, the FIIs are adding in put selling, that means that acts as a support, that strike would act as a support and prices will go up. If these both are equally added, that means the price will be range bound. For example, so here it is the resistance, this is the support, and then here prices are range bound. Okay, I'll move on to today's data. So basically the expiry is been shifted to every Tuesdays from every Thursdays. Sensex will be having every Thursday expiry. So Nifty, we are having a new start today. So here instead of 4, I have to change it to 1 because of the new expiry, right? So let me just try to adjust it with the new one. Okay, so I'll sorry, I'll put it as 1 and let me change the color as well so that we know that it is a new one. Okay, I'll change it to more lighter color, maybe white should do. Okay, so that we'll know the difference. Okay, so this is week 1 of day 1, so we'll keep the week 1 as such. And for Bank Nifty, we'll continue with the monthly data itself. So I'll start writing 1 2 3 4 5 and maybe I'll keep it from Friday to Friday, so that would be a better option. Okay, we won't change the Bank Nifty. Okay, now let's change. I am having 1 hour time frame. Open for Nifty is 600. So 600 is playing as a very good support, and today call writers have also been increased. So let's do analysis for 600. We'll keep this as our open ATM, and the white zone becomes the OTM, and this becomes our ITM. Okay, now you could see the support was strong. So let me write it. Support was strong. Because the support was strong, the max decay has happened in the ITM and as usual decay in the OTM. Okay, weak resistance is weak. So in that case, you could see ITM of the call writers is having the maximum negative decay and a overall positive decay in the OTM. Okay, so mostly I'm concentrating in OTM, so I will highlight the OTM only. Okay, now with the price action, you could see the support was very strong here. Okay, now we'll quickly check for next expiry 23rd. The price action looks similar. Okay, now we'll move on to Bank Nifty. Similar pattern for Finnifty and Midcap Nifty. You can check. Bank Nifty open was 600, 53 600. So here is 53 600. So similar pattern. I don't have to elaborate here. Let me just put OTM and ITM for our understanding. So this is our ATM, open ATM, and then Bank Nifty price action when you check. So it was also having a strong support here. You could see a strong support and a weak resistance. Okay, so you could see a maximum decay in the ITM, positive decay max here. Okay, now we'll take one strike and we'll try to do analysis. I would like to take some easy strikes. Let's take this one, PEOTM. Okay, I'm going to explain PEOTM for 5300. Okay, well, how much is the decay? We'll take as a round number 100. So it's a positive decay of positive 100. One lot size for Bank Nifty has been changed to 35. Okay, now this times this would be 3500 plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so this is a profitable trade. Okay, so you could see, because of the monthly expiry pattern, the OTM for Bank Nifty is still negative. Okay, and here is the maximum negative, because monthly expiry delta and the weekly expiry delta both are different things. Though Nifty and Bank Nifty will have the same price action, the decay won't be same. Okay, now we'll quickly move on to the premium charts. So this is one of the interesting part. We're going to check for each and every premium. So Nifty open is 600. Let me take 600 in both the sides. 24,600 in the start range as well. And then you could see from the start itself the decay was very quick. Till 11:30 the decay was looking good. And then after 1:50 p.m. when the other markets, I mean the European markets open, the call was trying to go up, but no choice here. Sellers were winning till the end. Okay, now we'll go a little bit OTM. We'll go to 800, which is a very good resistance. And you could see at the start buyers were trying to win, but soon at 10:10 you could see sellers were winning. At the end sellers were the winners. Okay, so the long straddle people only got chance in the first half. Now we'll go to 400, which is like a very good resistance. And then you could see till 11:55 sellers were winning, and here at 12:40 buyers got a chance. At from 2:45 till 3:20 the buyers got the chance because of the last bullish move, and this the reason was Reliance. Okay, now we'll move on to the Bank Nifty. Okay, let me just refresh it. So let me take Bank Nifty here. Bank Nifty open was 600, so let me take 53,600 on both sides. Okay, so 63 strikes. See, from the start itself the sellers were top notch, and at 2:55 it changed the game and it was buyers close. Okay, now we'll take 900 strike, 300 strikes away, and this is also the same pattern. Now we'll go and check the 300 strike, and here buyers were winning at some point because this acts as an ITM. Okay, now we'll close this and we'll try to concentrate in others, close range OI and ATMs. So let me check for Nifty first in the Nifty Trader website. Okay, here is the Nifty chart, and you could see 5 versus 8. So put writers are more for Nifty, and when you check Bank Nifty you could see 91 and 87 almost sideways. Okay, now we'll go on to the ATM premium, and this is day 1 for Nifty. So 260 is a very good decay point, and then it closed with 220. That's actually a good decay. Here also Bank Nifty is showing us a promising decay. When you check for the straddle and strangle, this is for Nifty, and then you could see how supports are more. In the overall 700 is a very good straddle for Nifty for this week. When you check for monthly, 700 looks very good. On the whole step count of 100, these strikes are the OI is been equally built up. You could see here the same pattern is repeated in Bank Nifty as well, where 54k stands as the straddle and 54,500 stands as a straddle. Okay, same pattern. So that's it guys, thank you.